Welcome to day 4 of 3 of learning how to ferment our own chicken feed. It is 8 o'clock in the morning here on day 4, and I filmed day 3 at about 10:30 last night. I have been doing them about 24 hours apart, not 10, but this is going to be a special case because when I came out this morning, there was a puddle under my jar. And so we cleaned that up. And then when I took the ring off, I learned why there was a puddle. So I'm thinking that means that we have fermented feed. Here's what we have. So I haven't taken the lid off since it's stuck to it. But I looked into it a little bit. It's supposed to be a little bit drier, stick together a little bit better. The water's supposed to be cloudy. It started that way. It is supposed to smell like sourdough or a little tangy or a little bitter. Nobody really has a straight answer, but essentially kind of like sourdough. I'm thinking this is probably what we've got. Once again, I'm not taking it off the tray because there's already a puddle under the jar on the tray, but there's all those bubbles in there already again, and that's more than there was after the 24 hours yesterday. I think we have successfully fermented feed, so I'm gonna give this a quick stir and then I'll tell you what it smells like. Okay, so as you can see, that went down a whole heck of a lot. Still all sorts of bubbles in there. That went down a lot. You can see that it is not quite as wet as it was. It's because it leaked overnight. But yeah, it's not as wet, so it's sticking together more. It's like compacting better. That's sour, tangy, I don't know. I don't know why I sniffed harder. Still very much so smells like chicken feed, but I think at day 3.5 of 3, we have successfully fermented our own chicken feed. I will have to try this again with the proper instructions of filling it only an inch or 2 above the feed for the start of the process and tell you guys about that. Stay tuned for more Chick Chat videos. I will see you guys next time.